Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We understand them in our minds. We are not separate. We abide as one. Our visions shine through an unstopping dominion. They are not separate. There is nothing that is other than the meaning of self-originating self-luminescence. Uncontrived supreme bliss is a secret pathway. There are no selves or others. We understand by ourselves. This is the space of the circle of the Bhagga that brings us all together. It is not some other. It is not a self. It is a perfect space. There are no others. All of our purposes are perfected in ourselves. The self-originating wheel is the pathway of perfection. It is not complicated. We understand the true purpose of our heart essence in a single moment. We do not separate. The 6 classes of living things have the sorrows of their cravings, but we understand their self-originating perfection, so we have no consciousness of any cravings or anxieties. Buddhas and sentient beings are one, but we employ 2 ways of seeing things wrongly. So, from time without beginning, we have lost this precious jewel. We have been bound in the irons of our craving to hold on to ourselves. Our karma and our emotional problems are seized by material things. The sun, the maker of clarity, blazes and makes things visible, but a blind person sees nothing at all. Just so, from the primordial, our wisdom has been non-dual, but due to our reverted cravings and understandings, we do not see anything. It is due to the wheel of our clingings, attachments, and cravings that there is an undammed river of the sorrow that is our reward. A specific quality of sentience that is insubstantial is that our reverted consciousness uses the power of our thought, so that whatever we look into appears to be the same to us. In reality, there is no one present, but we abide in our dense cravings, and they are apparent to our faces.